Hey, welcome to Costa Mesa, California in the brand new Just Video Walls Autograph Unified Experience Center. And boy, have I got some amazing stuff to show you. We have 5 video walls in this space. This is one of them. As you come in the front door, you're greeted with a almost 8-foot wide by 9-foot tall art wall. And this really illustrates something that I love about MicroLED, and that is that it doesn't have to be a 16 by 9 square on the wall like a TV. It can be all kinds of different shapes. We build them like building materials with our blocks, and you can do anything. This is one of the ways that we can use them. Obviously, this is a very imposing image as you come in. It changes the entire way that this whole space feels. It sets the tone for you. Imagine walking into your house, being greeted with a waterfall, or your favorite view, or your family photos on something like this, and we can do that. So this is an awesome experience here, but I want to take you over here to more of the standard type of approach that we've got with our Lunar Walls product. So this is our Expanse. This is set up in sort of our like dining area slash conference room area over here. And this wall is intended to be more of an off-the-shelf systematized product that gets you down into more of a competitive price point. So you can get a great big experience like this while also relying on the great benefit of working with just video walls. But this is obviously more of a standard aspect ratio, a 16 by 9. So in this content here, we're showing 4 inputs on this wall. And we have a much more interesting example of what that looks like in a second. But it's really nice to be able to show all these things on the wall at the same time. I didn't understand that for the longest time, but once I got to experience it, it really just made sense for me. Something clicked, because you might have one source that's on a commercial, or you might have another source that's just like doing something else, or it's a game it's just in between, like it's time out. You can track all of those, and with Red Zone and what you can do with YouTube TV, it's just an incredible experience that you really have to see to believe. So I do want to point out that all of our walls are trimmed out really nicely. So we don't just ship a wall with bare edge cabinets. We have custom design trim on our custom design cabinets that's made to fit each other, and it's just an incredible look sitting on the wall in your space. And we have another art wall here, so it's actually the same overall format as the wall in front, but just a smaller size. And you can see here, like, this is actually showing more of just standard art on this wall. It's actually looping through still images of art. The surface itself is completely matted out, so there's no glare. I'm not looking at my own reflection on it. Just the same way that art in the real world, like we're showing over here, looks. There's no reflection on this surface. Like, it feels like the textures are real. The colors are popping off the surface. It's not projected. It's coming right off of the surface of this art and then going directly into your eyes. That's what our MicroLED systems do, and that's why this kind of art just looks so compelling in these rooms. It really is pretty impressive. But you're probably looking over my shoulder right now at this big dog back here. This is our native 2:40 aspect ratio, 205-inch Just Video Walls Autograph Series. This is the way to do movies. Obviously here we're showing it with multi-layering, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sports games at the same time on the bottom row. We have streaming service here and a video game on the top right over there, so it's 6 different sources all at the same time coming into this. We've got a kaleidoscope on the system, we've got a bunch of Apple TVs, but what's great about this is it's not using that same 16 by 9 aspect ratio that we're all so used to seeing in homes. Something about seeing things that on a different shape and a different size just sets it off differently for you. I don't know what it is, but every time I see a quote unquote off aspect ratio like this, I'm just blown away. Pixel pitch on this is a 0.9 millimeter. So, you know, even standing like here, right, I can't see any pixels off of the screen. And total resolution, just for you tech heads out there, is 5120 by 2160. So when we pop in a kaleidoscope, we actually have more pixels available than what we can even use from the source. And I'm telling you right now, like, this is the most incredible viewing experience that you can get for movies. I mean, look at these colors. Like, this is just insane. Like, and we have all of the Ketra downlights on in this space. All the walls are white. Even the floors are lightly colored. Like, it's just crazy what we're doing in setups like this. When we call this an experience center, that's exactly what it is. There's one more wall over here, and I think this is sort of a fun way to kind of like show, again, you can put these things into areas where a TV will make the experience look like a TV, where an art wall, a video wall will not. This bar area over here could not fit a TV and keep the same vibe. It just would not be the same vibe at all. You have a space perfectly suited for the size and shape of this wall. It's the same exact size as what we had over there that I showed you, but it still feels different. And if you've noticed, like, I'm gonna walk around again over here just to the front area, there's art everywhere. It's made for an art lover's dream paradise. And so what are you gonna do? You're gonna put like a TV up next to an art piece like this? No, you have to put up something incredible that changes the experience, that makes it feel different. Thanks for having us here, man. This place looks awesome.
Glad you're here. That we're pretty proud of this experience center. We're pretty proud to show it off. We're pretty proud of what we've done with your guys' walls. We got 5 of them around there. It's awesome.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
Dude.
It's really, really exciting for us.
Yeah, and the vibe in here, like, I don't know who designed all this and who came up with the lighting, but like when you walk in, the vibe is just, it really does like set off. Like, it's pretty awesome in here.
Yeah, we were lucky enough to have an amazing lighting designer, Greg Mackel, out of Denver with HLB Lighting, design the place, design all the lighting, and the lighting layout and the lighting design here is pretty amazing.
Okay, great. Now, he's also the one who did the artwork. Is that
correct?
Also
the one who did. He's the artist on the walls here. Yes.
Okay, so we've got all this art like lined on all sides, and he's the lighting designer and also the artist.
What else was he going to do during COVID? So he started painting. hadn't painted since college. So he actually paints under Ketra. All the lights in this space are Ketra, and so it changes colors to really make his art come alive.
Okay, so let me dive into that for a second. When you say he paints under Ketra, you mean he's actually using Ketra light for his painting process.
And the paints and all these designs come out and can come alive. We change with color in the app or with voice with Josh AI. We can change the color and make the lights, make the art actually look different. We can change the landscape in the background. We can bring colors out. That's the beauty of Ketra. 16 million colors. So not that many, but
yeah,
it should be enough for what we need to do here.
Right, yeah.
In here you see Lutron, you see just video walls, some Coastal Source speakers outside. Josh AI is running the whole building. And so just a few of our brands that we represent. We started as a new rep firm last June. June 1st was our first day in business, and we have 14 of us here in Southern California. We just cover Southern California for those brands, and go meet with dealers. This space is designed to bring people in, to bring homeowners, to bring dealers, to bring specifiers, interior designers, architects, the manufacturers, to really gather and use the space. That's what this space is for, as you see. The reason we call it an experience center is because it's come in an experience, take it in.
Yeah.
Whereas this showroom has just product, and you look at all the products, say it's a speaker company, you look at all the different speakers, like, that is not here at all.
Yeah, it's kind of the difference between, like, you know, seeing, you know, options on a menu versus like going to a 5-star chef and getting a custom meal made.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Yeah. And truly, like, when you walk in here, it is an experience. Like, we have that big 4x8 wall in the front, and it just like blows you away.
Absolutely.
So yeah.
Absolutely.
Now, you've had some interior designers in here, and they've seen the walls and all of the rest of the things that, you know, you're showing in here. And tell me what that's been like for you.
It's been really cool to see their reaction, to see what's going on. Obviously, we're just getting started. I mean, we just got furniture a couple weeks ago, so we still need to add a few things, some end tables, some, you know, pillows and throws, and lots of plants to make it look a little more like a home. And that's the intention, but also to leave it plenty of open, so for gatherings, for people to gather and just show off, whether it's intentional for a product or it has nothing to do with anything, or just people are hanging out.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been really cool. The reaction from the interior designers they're excited. Video walls, Ketra is an example, same thing. Video walls are something you really need to see. I've sold a lot of really expensive products in the years of being in the AV industry. People really have a problem grasping video walls without seeing them.
Right.
And so that's part of why this is here. It's part of why the Ketra lights are here. It's part of what we're doing so people can come in and experience it.
That's right.
So architects that were in here recently, last week at a little cocktail hour we had, who spent a lot of time there and spent majority of their night right here. They came to talk about Ketra, and they spent the majority of their night right here talking about this wall.
Yeah, man.
They just wanted to see how they can put it on plans.
Hey, I'm a little biased, but that's probably what I would do too. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Like I'd be sitting in this chair that normally goes right here, as close as I could possibly be to this thing. Like it's so stinking cool.
And their knowledge of video walls was Vegas. You know, huge billboards, commercial walls where pixels are the size of our heads. And they're like, oh my gosh.
What are you most excited about with the avenue of this product by Just Video Walls in your portfolio?
In our portfolio, I think the reason we have some more portrait styles, especially the entry wall, that was a big one that's really important for people to understand. We don't call them TVs. You guys don't call them TVs. We call them digital canvas, wall canvas, wall art, whatever you want to be, but get away from that 16:9 or 2351 or 240. Stop talking about formats and start talking about the space.
That's right.
That's what I'm really excited, especially that entry wall. It's just so big and impactful as soon as you walk in that people can start to understand, hey, in your home, it's a crazy piece of art. And then when you need to, maybe just the bottom half is the TV.
Yeah.
They're watching TV or they're watching a movie on just that awesome concept. So that's what I'm most excited is the different formats. These are awesome.
It's a shift in the conversation, right? So like, before, and I was talking about that with this wall you have at the bar area over here. Right, it's no longer are we saying like, where can we put this TV?
Right.
Now we're saying this space needs something. What is that?
Right.
And what can we make fit that space?
Bingo.
Right.
Bingo.
So it's more of a conversation about how do you live?
Right.
Versus like here's a piece of technology.
Absolutely.
Right. And that's a fun conversation to have.
Right. So that's where we're just pushing people to think way outside the box. Stop worrying about like, oh, now Samsung and Sony make 98-inch TVs, and Samsung just came out 115. Cool. It's still one format. It's still one format. So just trying to take away the
and it's also hard to get into a freight elevator. So.
Absolutely. So just skip the format conversation and start getting weird.
Shawn, thank you so much, man.
No problem. Thanks for coming.
Us. So I'm excited to bring all of the end users here so they can see it and experience it, and us to make some great experiences together.
That's the plan. That's why we did it. All right. Okay.
Appreciate it. What I want to do is I want to invite you, if you live on the West Coast or even central to West Coast United States, you have to come to the Experience Center here at Costa Mesa, the unified Just Video Walls Autograph Experience Center, where we've got Lutron lighting with Ketra, we've got Amina sound, we've got everything that you need to be wowed or to wow, and really show you what it's like to live in all these different rooms with video wall experiences. And so if you want to learn more about this, you got to check us out at justvideowalls.com, and we'll get you set up with an integrator in this area who knows and does all of this, but in your way for your home.